Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial I'd like to discuss shortly about the guessing game software design and development using Raspberry Pi 5 and IoT devices. The aim of this project is to develop a simple guessing game where the player has to guess a number between 0 and 9. The game displays prompts on an LED screen, accepts input from a keypad and provides feedback on whether the guess number is correct. The game continues to ask the player if they want to play again until they choose to stop, at which point it displays the final score. So let's see the development of this project. You can see here the keypad, the LCD display, the motherboard. We can see the Raspberry Pi board here, the SD card, power cable, uh, and then you can see the HDMI cable, and this is the 40-pin cable. And these are the connections you can see, and you see the circuit here. I'd like to show you from a very close view. You can see here the T extension board, the red one, and you can see the 8 keys of the, you can see from here. Here are 8 wire is connected with the keypad, and also you can see the resistors here. 8 resistor is connected with the 8 wires which are connected with the keypad. And also if you go close, you see that with each resistor there is a ground connection. There are total 8 connections. And then from here, if we come here, there are 8 wire for the 8 wires connected with the T extension board. You can see these 4. If we start from this part to that part, from right to left of my screen, you can see 4 pins are connected with the 4 GPIUs here in the T extension board. And then you can see the rest 4 is connected with 3 more GPIUs on the other side, this side, and also one with the ground. You can see here one with the SPMOSI port, and also you can see the LED display. This is the LCD display, and it has 4 pins. You can see SCL, SDA, VCC, and ground. These 4 pins are connected with the 4 ports with the of the T extension board. You can see the SCL with that LCD displays SCL with the SCL of the T extension board, SCL port, and then SDA port of it. You can see here the SDA port, the purple one is connected with the, you can see the purple one, there's the SDA port, SDA1 port. So likewise the other 2 BCC for the 5V, as this LCD display works with the it works actually with 5V power. So we have given here, you can see that it's connected with the 5V, the white one. And then the last is the ground one, so ground to ground is connected. And then if we show the code a little to implement this project, let's go to we have used here the Raspberry Pi 5 system, and here you can see we have used the Thony editor of the Raspberry Pi 5, and this is the code actually to build this project. You can see I am just scrolling, and you can see all the functions is created to use the interact with the keypad to generate the number, get the user input, and to define the games, how it will be running. You can see that first of all the LCD will be initialized, and then it will take the guessing the numbers. And you can see here the if number is correct, it will show the correct. If number is wrong, it will show wrong, and it will and also there is a function to ask the user if they want to play again or not. And then you can see the keypad options. You can see the port number here, and then the keyboard intercept try except main loop also is available here. So let's run this code and see how it interacts. So we click here, you can see. So you see here in the shell, you can see that the LCD is initialized, and then it started a new round. We can see that it asking to guess a number between 0 to 9. So let's guess a number from the keypad. Let's guess a number 5. So you see that it is a challenging task. We tried like to display the thing on LCD, but it's unfortunately didn't come out. But the thing is that we could see here, we can see that actually we press the number 6 and we can see it. Sorry, we placed the number 5 and it's telling that our guess was wrong because the actually number was 6. So it asking to whether we want to play again or not. So if we give A, that means it's yes. If we give press D, then it will be no. That means it will show the final score. Let's press another input. Let's give 8. Press the key from the keypad. We are clicking on 8, pressing the 8 button. Let's see here. As we pressed 8, so it's telling that and pressed 8, and also we can see that the system is trying to show. So let's try to run this code once again, and let's see how if it works best or not. Okay, let's keep pressing 1. Actually it takes some time, but it works. So you see that I just pressed. It takes some time to interact. You see here, but it works. You see. So when I press 5, it tells the guess was wrong and the number was actually 8. So it's now asking whether I want to play or not. So let's press D. That means for no. I don't want to play again. So I tried one more time, and I'd like to show you the updated results using playing this guessing game. You can see after running the code, the LCD is initialized and starting a new round, and then it asking to give inputs in range 0 to 9, and then I pressed a key. You can see I pressed a key 4, and then my guess was 4, and it was actually correct. And it's asking if I want to play so by pressing A or if I don't, then I don't want, then I should press D. So I press D and it shows the final score, that is 1. That means I played one time, so it shows final score 1. That means it was correct and I got 100% score. So by this it's asking telling us that thank you for playing. So that's how our this project works. I would like to show another overview from the project. You can see this is the implementation, this is the circuit design, keypad to interact, and this is the LCD display and the total connections with the Raspberry Pi. Thank you so much.